Wow, we're getting pretty deep into this training now. It's Bob Sink, and welcome to episode 4 of the 5-part training series based on my 24-point listings cheat sheet. Let's see, so far we've covered generating leads and booking appointments, preparing in advance and setting the stage to win the listing, and delivering an effective listing presentation loaded with your distinctive capabilities. And today in episode 4, we're making sure you get paid, and paid well. I call this training getting the commission you ask for and deserve. To do that, we're going to cover the next 2 bullets on the cheat sheet. All right, let's get right into it, okay? Because we're not in this just for the feelings of accomplishment that come from winning a listing and helping somebody sell their home, right? We want to get paid well for our time and expertise.
Okay, now I've gone over the value that I'm going to bring to the table for them. Over 20 minutes or so that it takes me to deliver this value, to go through my listing presentation. Now, I'm going to give them different options to work with me. And see, this is what really differentiates my presentation from others. See, most agents go in and get either you're going to work with me or you're not. That's a yes or no. To me, that's 50-50. And that doesn't make much sense to me. So instead, I give people options to work with me. You can either work with me this way, or this way. Which do you prefer? Now listen to that again. You can either work with me this way, or this way. Which do you prefer? I never articulate not working with me, where the average agent, most agents say you can either work with me or not work with me. I never articulate not working with me. I just give them 3 options. Either work with me this way, or this way. Which do you prefer? And when I do that, when I lay out those options, things that I've seen and people have made mistakes with my program is that I take away. I always start with my very best program. You get everything we just talked about in my presentation, anything I ever come up with. Okay, and here they all are, and it costs this much in commission and this much in additional commission. That's right, additional commission. I'm going to talk about that in a second. And then the next level is, okay, you can hire me, but you don't get this, and this. Now it's a little less expensive. It's this commission, which is the same as before, but it's less in additional commission. I took away. That's very important. Most people add on. You need to take away. No one likes anything being taken away from them. And then I go to the third one. Or you can work with me this way. And now this gets a little closer to what an average agent does, or a really good agent does, but you don't get this, and this. Here's how much the commission is. Here's how much the additional commission is. Now, I know what you're thinking. Additional commission. That really makes me uncomfortable. I'm not sure I'd do that. That's because you're not delivering the value. And we're going to talk about that in our next sequence. Okay, we're going to talk about delivering the value, how you deliver the value and show the value. We've already been doing that since step 1, right? On this cheat sheet. So people tend to pick the very best option. The discussion is no longer about my commission. It's usually about the additional commission, if any. They might say, I've never heard of additional commission or, getting it up front. And I always ask them, may I ask you a question, Mr. and Mrs. Seller? And they typically say, sure. I say, well, if I asked you to do the very best job there is for me and you may or may not get paid at the end, would you do the very best job for me? And they typically answer, truthfully, no, I wouldn't. And I just say, please don't ask me to do the same. Remember, my contract's only 1 day, so if you don't like me, if you don't think I'm the very best, if I don't deliver what I promised, then fire me, and I'll give that back to you. Does that sound fair? And almost always they say yes. Again, I gave them options of working with me, not yes and no. That makes a world of difference. I can't stress you enough. And I get additional commission on almost every single listing. Think how that will change your business, change your life. Think how that will give you the income to be able to do what you really need to do to get homes sold. You're almost there. We're almost through the 24-point cheat sheet. I'll see you in the next one.
I know you can do this. You just have to believe you can do it. Practice it a few times with friends or family members if that's what makes you more comfortable asking for a higher than average commission. And remember that to get a commission you want, you have to talk about the value you'll provide. And then you have to make good on the commitment to deliver that value to the sellers. It doesn't matter how well you negotiate your commission. You're not going to get paid until the property sells, right? So that's where we're going for tomorrow. to selling your listings fast for top dollar. The last segment of the 5-part training series on my 24-point listings cheat sheet. I hope you're enjoying the series so far, and I want to encourage you to watch the last episode tomorrow. You've made it all the way through episode 4, which tells me you're serious about your business. So a special gift for you at the end of episode 5. A download I call the Ultimate Showing Checklist. Something you can use to both educate your sellers and get them to do all the things necessary to help you sell their home. And don't forget my offer of a free business strategy session. Maybe you've already taken me up on it and we've already talked. If so, I hope you're already at work implementing my suggestions on getting more listings. And if not, let's go. Let's get it scheduled. You're motivated or you wouldn't be at episode 4. And that's the kind of agent I love to talk with. Just click on the link below to schedule a time in my calendar. Thanks again. Good luck. And as always, good climbing.
Hey Bob, just wanted to say thanks for the live event. This is fantastic. I'm going to bring home so many new programs, so much stuff to implement into my business. I mean, it's going to be almost overwhelming, but everything is just really, really good. And I can't wait. My business is going to feel so much better, so much more like a real business rather than just going about it just day by day.
BobSync has been phenomenal and instrumental in me breaking through to the next level. Here's proof. This is a commission check I received for $11,400. This was the first month I started working with BobSync.
He had me implement systems one by one that add value to my prospects and clients, setting me way apart from my competitors. I mean, looking back, I didn't have a chance to become successful in real estate because I didn't believe I had anything different to offer than any other agent out there. With Bob's guidance, I'm slowly gaining confidence and truly believe that what I have to offer surpasses what the other agents are doing in my area.
Well, what I did is I started showing my current sellers the listing presentation that I brought back from Bob's workshop, and they were far and blown away with how much more I'm able to offer through Bob's systems, that they started telling their friends. And so that I'm picking up a lot of listings just from my past ones that are viewing the new system. It worked out great, and I'm asking, I bumped my commissions up by 1%. I am charging more than most people in my market, but by the time I get through the presentation and the 3 levels of service that we offer, it's done. We don't argue over commissions anymore.
Hi, my name's Kyle Micklejohn. I'm out of Red Deer, Alberta, Canada. I just finished Bob's 2-day event and it was awesome. Just learned tons of things, new things I'm going to go back and implement. Actually, I decided I'm going to start implementing on the plane on the way back to Canada. Great 2 days of masterminding with some great agents from all over the country, and can't wait to get back and get to work.
It's always important to spend a little time masterminding and working with others, and then really clearly identifying items that you can take away and immediately deploy that's going to help you make more money. So I got some great ideas. Can't wait to get back to my team and get them implemented.
Very easy, but it's simple systems, and I feel Bob actually does care about me and my success. It's not just a paycheck to him to say. He's very passionate about the program, and it's exciting. I've learned a lot in a short amount of time, and a lot of easy things, a lot of sort of thinking out of the box type things, and I'm excited to get some things implemented. I'd like to start with some buyer signs, listing presentation I'm excited to implement, as well as adding value to my business, doing what nobody else does. I can't wait, and I just thank you very much.